Listen, if you're thinking about watching Funnel Hacking Live, don't. I mean, there I was, a single mom trying to figure out how I was going to provide for my newborn. And then Russell Brunson comes along and is like, you can start an online business and be successful. Nonsense. And yeah, at Funnel Hacking Live, I have learned how to run my business even though I virtually have no time. But now that my business practically runs itself, I have too much time to spend with my kid. Do you know how many times a person can play Super Mario Brothers without losing their mind? I do. And it's not pretty. And because of Funnel Hacking Live, don't even get me started on my phone. It's like a 24/7 torture device, constantly buzzing with notifications of purchases from my funnel. I can't even sleep anymore. Constantly buzzing with people asking to work with me. I've had to learn how to say no in like 12 different languages. Neh. Neh. Do you want to know another thing that I hate about Funnel Hacking Live? It's had an effect on my son, too. He's growing up thinking that success and financial stability are normal. How am I supposed to teach him about struggle and hardships now? Now let me warn you one last time about this Funnel Hacking Live. Don't do it. I mean, you don't want to watch a conference where you're going to learn about how to successfully launch an online business. And you want to know what the worst part is? You end up being part of a community and making friends with all these other successful, amazing, optimistic people that all share the same dreams. I mean, who would want that? So if you're thinking about watching Funnel Hacking Live, where I'll unfortunately be speaking, don't do it. I mean, I keep getting sunburned because I can work by the pool and actually earn a living from my laptop. It's terrible. But if you insist on watching and learning valuable skills that can take care of you and your family for the rest of your life, just remember, I warned you.
Look, Mama, I made a business plan.